In this video, I'll show you how to set up Brevo email marketing. Start by signing into your Brevo account. If this is your first time using the platform, complete your business profile and verify your email address if prompted. Next, go to Contacts and click Create a List. Give your list a name, then save it. After that, import your contacts or add them manually to the list. Now click Campaigns from the left menu, then click Create a Campaign and choose Email. Next, enter your campaign name, sender email address, and email subject line. Continue to the email editor and choose a template or start with a blank layout. After that, customize your email by adding text, images, buttons, and any other content you want to include. When you're finished, click Continue. Now select the contact list you created earlier, review your campaign settings, and send yourself a test email to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, choose whether to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a later date, then click Schedule or Send to launch your email campaign. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Brevo email marketing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.